Hey guys, it's Elizabeth and the Smiley in here, and today I took Steven's phone, and we have Anthony here to help us. We're playing a prank, yo. Yeah, we're gonna play a prank on him. I'm gonna say, Steven, you need to come here, hurry, quick. I need your help. He's gonna trip over that, fall on these, and then we're gonna say, sit in this chair, and then we're gonna pull it from underneath him. Okay, let's go. Steven, hurry up! I need your help! Are you okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, but I need...
Jim. Okay, I need to sit
Sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Okay.
Ha. Hee-haw.
Oh, I pulled the chair from underneath him. It's a prank. It's a prank. No floors.
No floor. And if you got shot a lot of times, you lose. You lost. Yes. And you fall on the ground. Kaboom.
Peace out.
Yeah.
Peace out, haters. Never come again. And I hope you see this video so you can prank
and more
other people
Minecraft
again.